Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to start this project off with this frame that I got from Michael's. I'm just going to pop this piece of cardboard out, and then I am going to paint the entire frame with a deep red color. I ended up doing 3 coats because I really wanted it to be dark. If you picked a different color red, you might not have to do as many, but I did 3 coats just to make sure it was dark enough, and I did the whole frame. Then I took some black paint on my ink applicator, and I'm going to go around and do all of the edges just to make sure that those are all nice and dark. And go all the way around and giving it that nice aged look. So once I have that all done, I am going to take this ornament that came from Walmart. They're 98 cents. And I am going to cut the hanger off of them. And they're just tin ornaments with like vintage graphics on the front for Christmas. And I thought they were so super cute. And I'm going to add some glue around the edge. And then I'm going to pop that ornament right in the center. I'm going to make sure I peel off any excess glue that pops out. And there it is. Next, I'm going to take this stylus from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use that to put white dots around the whole entire frame. And they're just white paint, and I'm just going to go around the whole thing doing random dots. Once that was all finished, I'm going to take some greenery, and I'm going to add that to the top. And I'm just going to add some hot glue to hold that on. And then I took some mesh, black mesh, and I kind of bunched it together. And then I am going to glue that right on top of the greenery. Kind of fluff it out a little bit. Then I made a bow out of some striped ribbon, and I'm going to add that right to the center of this also. I'm going to put some hot glue down, glue that right on. Hold that in place until it's set up. Once it's all held on there, I'm just going to trim the ribbon, and it kind of popped back up because I didn't wait long on it. And I think this is just turning out so super cute. Next, I'm going to add the little stand that the frame goes on, so it'll stand on its own. And I would love to thank Rosanna. She is the inspiration for this project. I saw her make it, and I asked if I could copy, and she said yes. So thank you so much. I absolutely adore how this came out. How stinking cute is this? Thank you guys for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.